Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy to share with you my first work of body paintings inspired by the Odyssey. It's the first time I make an inspired makeup series, so please let me know if you like it in the comments. Today's character is Circe, the enchantress who seduced Odysseus during his journey. However, I didn't want to depict her seductive side, but to give shape to her magical power. Circe is a very powerful sorceress, and it is said that she's the daughter between day and night. That's why I opted for a cosmic look with the moon and the sun in the center of attention. I took inspiration from the astronomical clock towers to make the design on the chest, which was the most difficult part of this work. This body painting was a test of precision and it took me 9 hours to complete it, but I had a lot of fun. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.